Hey, welcome to Sing and Cook on Sanjeev Kapoor's Khazana, and today I've come with some recipes on microwave cooking. Some recipes? Yes, vegetable makhni, right? So for vegetable makhni, I've got some tomatoes here. Let me cut the tomatoes into quarters. The smaller I cut, the more effectively I would use the microwave. Cut them into cubes like the way I'm doing. 8 to 10 of large tomatoes I've cut into small cubes. So in goes the tomatoes in a casserole like this. Some onions. Onions, you need to slice them finely. 2 of these onions go into my casserole. Now what do? I've got some ginger garlic paste, 1 large spoonful of ginger garlic paste in this, red chili powder, if you want it spicy, add more, salt as per your taste or liking, cashew nuts, I've got here whole cashew nuts, 8 to 10 of them, some whole spices, I've got here mace, I'll use some blades of mace in this, 3 to 4 of these green cardamoms that I've got here, and let me mix them up. Now to this mixture, I'll add little bit of oil. My makhni sauce in the raw form is ready to go inside the microwave. So this goes into the microwave and I'll cook this for around 10 to 12 minutes. Now the most important thing that I'm going to show you here is, in this microwave, there are these points that you see here, 90, 180, 360, 600 and 1000. This is actually the power of the microwave. So I'm using it to the maximum power and I've got a timer here. So I'm going to tune it, rotate it to 12 minutes and start the button. I've got some chilies here. What am I going to do with the chilies? I'm going to slit them up, remove the seeds. Now cut them little fine into juliennes as I am doing here. I've got some ginger here. Let me cut them into thin strips or juliennes as we call them. The tomatoes that I put inside are getting cooked. It's more than 6 minutes. Let me give them a gentle stir. Stop the microwave. See, it's hot, so try using a napkin. Here you see the tomatoes are almost soft and it'll be easier to make a pulp out of this. The onions are soft, the cashew nuts have become soft. Back into the microwave for the final cooking. As you see, the makhni is bubbling inside the microwave. The gravy is actually getting cooked as if it was getting cooked on a gas stove. Time up now, 12 minutes over. So just press the open door, let the steam remove or evaporate here. And so you see the entire tomatoes, they are all nice and soft, pulpy. The onions, the cashew nuts, everything is nicely cooked as you would have done on a gas stove. So what do we do now? Now that my tomatoes are cooked, I'm going to puree them, as the makhni is a nice buttery sauce, soft, creamy. I'm going to puree the entire thing in a blender and in goes the entire puree. Cover this up and let me blend this whole thing. So the puree is now actually fine and smooth, as you see here. Great flavors of cardamom. My puree is now ready. So let me just strain it once. Great flavors of cardamom, mace, beautiful makhni. Quick and simple, effectively used recipe in a microwave. So now the makhni is strained well. You get to see top skins of green cardamom and the seeds. We just want the flavor of the entire thing, which we have actually incorporated or infused in the gravy while we have cooked and blended. As I am doing a veg makhni, no butter, no makhni. So in goes the butter, good amount of butter, the julienne of green chili and ginger. We'll add kasuri methi to our gravy. These are dried fenugreek leaves, very popular in India now, especially used in gravies that are based of tomatoes. So kasuri methi, some honey in this to sweeten up the makhni. You can add sugar if you want. Let me mix the entire thing up. The beauty of this is it's so simple, quick, and you don't mess up your kitchen, right? Let me taste the salt and the sweetness. Requires a little bit of salt. Since I am making a vegetable makhni, I've got here some boiled vegetables. These are assorted boiled vegetables. In goes the vegetables, cauliflower and potatoes, paneer. Let me just blend up the whole thing. Wow, I'm getting so excited about this microwave cooking. Vegetable makhanwala, plain and simple. Now this is going to get cooked again in the microwave for just 2 minutes. Now, when you put it in the microwave, you generally should cover it with either a cellophane film or the lid of a casserole, because when the gravy is more, it bubbles and it boils. So it spills over on the rotating tray. So if you, to avoid that, you should cover the casserole. I've not covered the casserole, risking it out, yeah. But beautiful veg makhanwala in another minute or two for you. 2 minutes over. Let me check now. Wow, I'm getting great flavors of the veg makhanwala. The next step to this, I'll finish it with some cream and again cook it in the microwave for maximum a minute. So some cream in this. I'm finishing the veg makhanwala with cream. Good color. The cream is now well blended and you see a rich, creamy, smooth veg makhanwala gravy. Two minutes more and the veg makhanwala is ready to be served. Simple and easy, no messing around in the kitchen, using the microwave very effectively. 2 minutes over and my veg makhanwala in the microwave is calling me. Veg makhanwala, flavor and taste, color absolutely like the way you would get in a restaurant. Finally ready for you. You can serve it in the same casserole you have cooked. That's the advantage of using microwaves. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and some fresh cream drizzled on top. Beautiful. Veg makhanwala cooked in the microwave. Simple and easy, just for you.